This podcast was made with a voice generator. Today, I take you aboard my imaginary boat. Let's go to the Joan of Arc church to tell you about its stained glass windows. The magnificent stained glass windows that you can observe when you are inside the Joan of Arc church date from the years 1520 to 1530. They are 13 in number and all come from the old Saint Vincent church destroyed during the Second World War, a bomb having exploded in its center. In fact, some time before the start of the war, the stained glass windows had been dismantled and carefully put away. The Department of Historical Monuments, in 1939, had the good idea of protecting the stained glass windows by storing them several kilometers from Rouen. It was only in 1979 that the beauty of these stained glass windows was able to shine through thanks to the construction of the Joan of Arc church on the old market square. You should know that the reassembly of the stained glass windows in the new church is in itself a real masterpiece of technique and know-how. The aluminum structure that encases them could only be made to measure and by hand at the cost of many hours of work. To protect them from bad weather and attacks, they are insulated from the outside by solid armored glazing. To ensure their preservation and prevent the colors from altering over time, an ingenious ventilation system maintains between the shielding and the stained glass a degree of humidity and temperature in harmony with these parameters inside the church. Still about these stained glass windows, I have a little game for you. Will you be able to find on one of the 13 stained glass windows the presence of the Cathedral of Rouen in blue shades? Small clue, it is located on the third stained glass window from the left.